Hey, Megan here. I just want to share with you this product that I recently was sent by the company in exchange for my review. It's a modern crystal bubbles. The bubbles are kind of in the glass there, pendant light. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this and take it out and show you what it looks like and go over everything that comes with this product. Okay, let's go ahead and take this light out of the box. Everything was extremely well packaged in there, which is important as this is a crystal fixture. Comes with the hardware as well as the manual, and then here is the fixture itself. So let's go ahead and take it out. It's got quite a bit of weight. I just want to zoom in and show you how beautiful that bubble accent. This is very solid. It's got nice stainless steel on the top. It is adjustable with 3 dimmable different shades of temperature light. This would add just a great atmosphere to any kitchen island, but could be used as bar counters as well. The value of this fixture makes it a great choice.